Hey all, welcome back to my channel. In this video you will learn how to export and import database in MySQL Workbench. So let's start the video. First you will learn how to export database in MySQL Workbench. For that you have to open your MySQL Workbench and click on server. There you will find option called as data export. After clicking that option, you will get a list of all the databases which are present in your MySQL Workbench. Select a database which you want to export. After selecting the database, you can also export a specific objects such as store procedure and functions, events and trigger. We can export a database in two different options. One is by selecting a export to a dump project folder. When we select this option, each table will be exported into a separate file. This allows a selective restore which takes a lot of time to import. And second one is export to a self-contained file. When you select this option, all selected database objects will be exported into a single self-contained file. So I will select this option and I will select a location where I want to export and give a name to your file and save it. After selecting the location, you have to select an option called as include create schema because I want to import the same database after dropping that. So now click on start export. It will take few seconds to export from MySQL database. So this is how we can export database from MySQL Workbench. Now we will learn how to import database in MySQL Workbench. So what I will do, I will drop Facebook database and I will import the same database which we just exported. So click on server and find an option called as data import. We can also import databases in two different ways. One is by selecting option called as import from dump project folder. When we select this option, we can do a selective restore, but I want to select a import from self-contained file because we exported as a self-contained file. After that you have to click on three dots and select a file which you want to import. So fp and click on open. Once the file is selected, you have to click on start import. It will take few seconds to import into a MySQL Workbench. Once it is imported, what you have to do is you have to click on schema refresh button. There you will find your database which is just imported, and you can also execute all the records from comments. This is how we can import in MySQL Workbench. Thank you so much for watching this video.